Hello, myself Arshati, and today I will perform week 3 experiment of EEC lab. So in this experiment we use three ICs. One is 40106, second is 74LS163, and one another IC which we will talk about later. Our IC 40106 is used to provide a clock to IC 74LS163. We connect channel A and channel B to pin 1 and pin 2 of our 40106 IC from our Adam Kit 1000 and ground pin to ground, and VC pin to 5 volt from Adam 1000 kit. And now this channel B is further connected to pin 2 of 74LS163 as you can see in the diagram, and pin 1 and pin 16 to 5 volt, and these pin as shown. And the output pins, which are QA, QB, QC, and QD, are connected to positive side of LEDs, and further the negative side of LEDs are connected to resistors of 220 ohm, and then these resistors to ground. Now as you can see, we use around 1000 kit to providing the voltage. So we have provided channel A and channel B to our 4010 IC at pin 1 and pin 2, and provided this now this after clocking to this IC 74LS163, and connected the VC to 5 volt and ground to ground of 4010 IC. Now we have connected 5 volt voltage to 74LS163 from Adam Kit 1000 at VC, and ground to ground, and CLR means pin 1 to 5 volt, ENP to 5 volt, and ENT to 5 volt, and load to 5 volt, and QA, QB, QC, and QD to the positive terminals of 4 LEDs. And the negative terminal of these LEDs are connected to a 220 ohm resistors, and other end of the resistors all are connected to ground. Now we will provide a square wave of 5 volt and 10 Hz frequency and measure the output by blinking the LEDs. Now we have provided a sine square wave, and this is our output. In this manner our LEDs are blinking. Now we use another IC named 74LS04 to invert this output. So now to reverse the output, we add a new IC74LS04 between LEDs and our IC74LS163. In this, our QA, QB, QC, and QD of 163 IC are connected to the 135 and 13 pin of 74LS04, and the LEDs are connected to 2, 4, 6, and 12 number pin, positive side of our LEDs. So basically, we introduce this IC to invert the input, to invert the output. So introduce these IC is consist of inverters inside it, and ground to ground, and VC to 5 volt, and our other whole circuit is same. Now we have introduced another IC 74LS04 which have inverters. So we have connected QA, QB, QC, and QD of 74LS163 IC to this 74LS04 IC at 1, 3, 5, and 13 number pin, and the positive side of LEDs are connected to this ICs at pin 2, 4, 6, and 12, and after that our whole circuit is same. These pins are connected to resistors, and resistors then further to ground. We also connected the ground terminal to ground and VC to 5 volt voltage of this 74LS04 IC. Now we provide a square wave as earlier and record the output. Now we have provided the square wave of 5 volt at 10 Hz frequency, and this is our output. In this manner our LEDs will grow, and we can conclude that previously these LEDs are in this manner. Now in this manner, now the LEDs are blinking in a reverse pattern. This is because of this new IC 74LS04 which invert the input.